Hey guys, Brennan here from Florida Outdoors RV Country here in Okeechobee. I want to show you this Keystone Avalanche 355 RK. The rear kitchen, nice big living area here. Beautiful sofa here, it turns into a bed as well. Got really nice seating here, freestanding dinette. Solid surface countertops throughout the kitchen. Nice big 4-door refrigerator, 3-burner stove. Nice big flat screen TV. Insignia. Moving up here to the bathroom. Nice walk-through bathroom here. Got a nice big king-size shower. And of course, this little kitchen area. Moving into the master bedroom. We've got a queen-size bed. Got a mirrored sliding door there, and more storage back there, or the option for a washer and dryer, and of course dresser here. Alright, let's take a look outside. This is the Avalanche model. So it's frameless windows here, automatic awnings, outside speakers, nice storage, 6-point leveling system. Really great price for all the great amenities that it comes with. So if you have any questions, feel free to call us. 863-623-4689. Thanks so much for watching. Have a nice day.